Every year, Popeyes sells more than 1 billion pieces of chicken across the entire world. Its spicy flavor, its crispy texture, and that Cajun-style battering have made it one of the most consumed fried chickens on the planet. But have you ever wondered how it is truly produced? What is behind that addictive flavor that competes head-to-head with giants like KFC? Well then, today we will travel to Louisiana, United States, home of Popeye's largest processing plant. A place where every day thousands of tons of fresh chicken are prepared and distributed to hundreds of the chain's restaurants, where they will be marinated and cooked with their legendary secret recipe to explode with flavor on your palate. So get ready, because you are about to discover how one of the planet's most delicious crispy chickens is mass-produced. Let's begin. Step number 1. Chicken selection. Everything begins long before that crispy and spiced chicken reaches your tray. Popeyes works with hundreds of specialized farms throughout the United States where birds selected exclusively for their famous Cajun recipe are raised. But not just any chicken can enter this flavor chain. The company demands a very specific profile. Birds between 6 and 8 weeks of age, right at the point where the meat is more tender, juicy, and perfect for absorbing the spicy marinade that distinguishes Popeyes. Unlike other chains, the company opts for 100% natural meat, without hormones, without fattening antibiotics, and fed with a controlled diet based on corn, grains, and natural supplements that directly impact the final texture and flavor. These farms can process more than 50 tons of fresh meat per day, all within a controlled environment that avoids stress in the birds and improves the quality of the product. When each chicken reaches 2 kilos in weight, it is time for the sacrifice. Veterinarians and specialized technicians inspect lot by lot, ensuring that only the healthy, strong, and well-developed specimens pass into this process. Once sacrificed, the chickens are quickly cooled and transported in refrigerated trucks to the Popeyes processing plants, where the chain will begin that transforms a simple farm bird into one of the most flavorful and addictive fried chickens on the planet. Step number 2. Preparation and cutting. As soon as the tons of chicken arrive at the processing plant, the true industrial transformation begins. Here it is decided whether a bird is up to par or remains outside of the process. Specialized technicians inspect each bird one by one, looking for bruises, fractures, or any sign of damage that could compromise the quality that Popeyes demands in each piece. Having passed this first filter, the birds enter the washing area. There, powerful jets of pressurized water combined with disinfectant solutions thoroughly clean each body, eliminating residues and bacteria, and leaving each piece ready for the next step. And then, one of the most impressive phases of the entire chain begins: the cutting. In a perfectly synchronized industrial line, hundreds of expert operators, with the help of ultra-sharp knives, separate wings, breasts, thighs, and drumsticks with surgical precision. Each cut is calculated to the millimeter, because on it depends that the breading adheres well, that the cooking is uniform, and that each customer receives exactly the piece they expect. Once separated, the pieces are quickly cooled and sent to local Popeyes branches throughout the country, where the most anticipated phase of the entire preparation will begin. Step number 3. The secret marinade. It is time to transform simple pieces of chicken into that crispy and spiced icon that has conquered the world. Unlike other chains, Popeyes' flavor is not in the batter. It is inside the meat. The tons of already cut pieces are submerged in large stainless steel tanks filled with an explosive liquid marinade: water, salt, vinegar, garlic, and a secret blend of Cajun spices that has been perfecting itself since 1972. For more than 12 hours, the chicken rests in that mixture, allowing the flavor to penetrate to the bone. It is literally an injection of flavor into every fiber of the meat. Once marinated, the pieces move to the breeding area. Here, seasoned flour, ground spices, and a second layer of dry mix are combined, which creates that thick and crunchy texture that distinguishes Popeyes' delicious chicken. For more than 12 hours, the chicken rests in that mixture, allowing the flavor to penetrate to the bone. It is literally an injection of flavor into every fiber of the meat. Once marinated, the pieces move to the breeding area. Here, seasoned flour, ground spices, and a second layer of dry mix are combined, which creates that thick and crunchy texture that distinguishes Popeyes' delicious chicken. Step number 4. Rest and flavor. Fixation. After the explosive marinade and the Cajun breading, the chicken does not go straight to the fryer. First, it needs a rest that will triple its flavor. The thousands of pieces are placed on large perforated stainless steel trays and transferred to chambers with temperature and humidity programmed to the millimeter. For about 20 minutes, it seems like nothing is happening. But in reality, something fundamental is occurring. This rest is what turns a good chicken into a flavor monster. During this brief period, the breading compacts, fixes itself, and adheres to the meat like a second skin. Furthermore, the marinade continues to work from within, slowly infiltrating the deepest parts of the meat fibers. At the same time, the dry spices of the Cajun mix begin to moisten, melting with the chicken's natural juice and activating that brutal aroma that already begins to fill the plant. The result is a compact piece, ready to crunch, and with so much flavor that it does not even need sauce to impress. Only after this rest is the chicken ready to face the next great challenge. Step number 5, cooking and frying. This is where everything is decided. After marinating and resting, the chicken is not thrown directly into the oil. First, it goes through a controlled pre-cooking where the internal temperature is raised just enough to ensure it is not left raw and to shorten the final frying time without breaking the crust. It is the master trick so that the inside remains juicy, while the outside prepares to become a crunchy armor. And now yes, the moment of the final frying arrives. Unlike other chains, Popeyes does not use pressure fryers. Here, the chicken is cooked in large natural gas fryers with temperatures that border 185 degrees Celsius. Each piece is submerged for a time calculated according to the size, between 12 and 15 minutes, just enough for the breading to reach its maximum point of crunchiness, while the inside cooks uniformly. When they are ready, the hundreds of pieces are placed on perforated steel trays to drain the excess oil and allow the crust to settle without softening. The result is hundreds of perfect pieces of chicken ready to face their most demanding test. Step number 6, final quality control. The chicken already looks delicious, but before reaching the customer, each piece must pass a final filter, Popeyes' quality control. On long inspection tables, the operators check tray by tray, looking for any defect, poorly adhered battering, burned areas, cracks in the crust, or excess oil. If a piece fails, it is immediately discarded. But that is not all. Each batch is also subjected to internal tests where the temperature is measured to exceed 75 degrees Celsius, the perfect point that ensures a complete and uniform cooking in all areas. Having passed that filter, the pieces are classified according to their destination. The wings are reserved for wraps, the breasts are prepared for sandwiches, and the thighs and drumsticks are stored for the iconic family buckets. A single Popeyes branch can dispatch more than 2,000 pieces of chicken per day. A constant flow of flavor that demands surgical precision, extreme speed, and zero margin for error. Only after passing this control and being classified do the pieces receive the green light to go out into the world. Step number 7, delivery to the customer. After the entire industrial journey, the moment that truly matters arrives, for the chicken to reach your tray exactly as you dreamed it. Whether it is for takeout, eating in the restaurant, or ordering delivery, each piece of Popeyes is prepared right at the moment you place the order and does not take more than 4 minutes to be ready. The already classified pieces come out steaming from the cooking area and are precisely assembled into family buckets, wraps, sandwiches, or individual trays, following the brand's presentation protocols to the millimeter. And they do not come alone. Spiced French fries, intense sauces, and freshly baked biscuits accompany each combo so that the flavor does not drop for a single second. During peak hours, a single Popeyes branch can dispatch more than 120 pieces per minute, a brutal flow that is only possible thanks to a logistics chain adjusted to the millimeter and a perfectly synchronized kitchen team. To finish, tell us, did you imagine this whole process behind a single piece of chicken? Are you more of a Popeyes person or do you prefer KFC? Leave us your answer in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and activate the little bell so you don't miss the next factory tour.